Priorpet just gifted me their awesome cat tower, and I am so excited to see what my cats think of this. So in this video, I'm going to quickly unbox, assemble this, and put it to the test. Let's go. Now here's what comes in the box. You get the sisal trunk, the base, and then you get all the different layers that also have a wonderful scratchy fabric on them, and all the leaves. And all of these branches are fully flexible. They have some metal inside the plastic branches so you can make them your own. And then you get a bunch more branches that are removable. These are also fully able to be manipulated however you want them to be. And then the base itself has a turf-like grass on it. Both of my cats have already come over and checked this out. Very inviting for a kitty. And finally, you get all the hardware and the one tool you need to put it all together. So let me put this together real fast. First step, add the leveling feet. Next step, find the one piece of sisal trunk that actually has the multiple points to screw in and attach it to the base. And for this, you'll be using the washers and putting in all of the 3 exterior screws. And there's actually 4 screws that go in the bottom. One has a slightly different top, and that one goes in the middle. Already looking good. Now we just start putting on all the layers. And these really do just open up, and then you can make these branches go however you want them to go. This is huge. And then we'll use these large screws. You just finger tighten these in and put on the next part. And then you just keep doing the same thing. And the tighter you make this, the more sturdy the entire tower will be. So definitely spend some time making these really tight. It's already looking pretty cool. And my cat is already very curious. And now I'm basically giving my cats something that's comparable to having fun in nature while indoors. Every level has the scratch column and the scratch pads, and the leaves definitely give them some privacy so they can really hide into this tree. It does have some additional points here where I can add the additional branches, so let me do that real quick. And you can make this completely your own. Right now the branches are going straight up, so it's kind of like hidden little areas, but if I wanted to, I could make the branches go down as well and make it far more open. So whichever way you want it, and it's the same with the tower floors. Right now I have it so the opening's on the side of each one, but if I wanted to, I could twist these so they could almost be steps for the cats to jump up if they need that. So I'm actually gonna rotate this a bit. And one of the removable branches fell off, but that is fine. And now it is really ready to go. Let me see what my cats think. I already have one cat that is totally in love with it. He is already so into this. Hi. My cats are already into it. This is clearly a success for them. They are both enjoying scratching on it. It's making them frisky. This is going to give them a great way to watch the world. And I love the way you can adjust the leaves. This is definitely a cat's paradise. Now, one thing you may notice is it is a little wobbly. It doesn't seem to faze the cats at all. That's mostly just because it is a single base tower, but it is holding up real steady. They are having no issues at all. I think this is going to be a real winner in my household, and I think you'll love it as well. And now I've put it where I plan to have it. This glass door doesn't actually open, and the cats love looking at the world through this window. So this is absolutely perfect as it gives them a high perch. It's very, very cool with its multiple levels. I love that it gives them something to scratch, that I don't feel upset about them scratching. And I love that even my really oversized ragdoll here, he's almost 16 pounds, can fit on the top of this tower, no problem. Very, very cool. I definitely recommend this awesome cat tower from Priorpet. I'm so glad they gifted this to me. My cats are going to be using this every day.